Right, welcome back to Electro Tech Hands On. Today I've got a little purchase off of TikTok. £7 it cost me, Astronaut Nebula Projector. We'll take this out of the box, we'll see what the contents are, and then I'll turn the light off and we'll have a look and see how it looks in the dark. Remote control. I wasn't expecting that. Takes two AAA batteries and I've got two in the drawer, so we'll give that a go as well. USB-A to power lead. Okay, is it a magnet? It is. It's a magnet. How cool is that? Awesome. Warning laser. I'll leave that on. After all, it's not a toy. It's really nice. Okay, let's have a look. Turn it on. Whoa. Okay, let's turn the light off. Fantastic. Oh my word. My whole room. So I can change the colours. Brightness up, brightness down. As long as I don't like having them in the night, I think there's something paranormal in the room. I think it's absolutely fine and dandy. No, I think it's good. The money, our little spaceman friend here. Quite a nice little addition. Yes, I think that's really good. Not exceptional by any standards, but it does the job and it's quite nice. So thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back over the weekend to unbox my OPI Xbox controller. Take care everyone, have a lovely weekend.